How to install Heyday on Android. If you want to install Heyday on Android, then first you need to check your internet connection. So if you have a stable internet connection, then you can open up your Play Store or your App Store, and then you can simply go for the search bar and search for Heyday. Once you've searched, here you will have your application, right? So if you want to download this Heyday application or install this application, then you need to simply tap on install button, and once you tap on install, it will start the install process. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. And once it's downloaded, you will have play option. Simply tap on play and you can play with that application, or you can play Heyday. So that's it. That's how you install Heyday on Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.